4D Theater. Kamusta naman? So, since makulit yung kasama ko, I am going to try this thing. So, I have to wear yung 3D glasses. Horror siya. Kamusta naman? I hate horror. Wish me luck. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Sinusumpa ko to. So, yun. 4D. Yun na. May 3D. Tapos the chairs were moving. Tapos may ang tawag doon? May air na lumalabas sa ilalim ng paanan mo. Tapos, meron din sa may ditong parts. Buisit. Buisit. So, next stop is Wax Museum. Wax Museum. Pwede na kayong sumaka. So, ayan. The first wax is, sino itong bold na to? Wala nakalagay. Asa na? I was hoping this wax museum would be interesting. But it just creeps me out. Like, really, sobrang it creeps me out. It was supposed to be educational for me. Kamusta naman? Natatakot lang ako. I just want to go out na. After Wax Museum, I tried this. So, magte-take ka ng picture here. And then, ipiprint niya yung face mo. Ganyan. It cost 200 yen. So, Philippine money, 100 pesos. Tapos, hiwalay pa yung mascot niya. So, pipili ka din dyan. It's 400 yen. Merong mga 500 yen. Yan. Parang Power Rangers. So, here's mine. Nakita. Ayan. Ang pangit. So, if you come here sa Tokyo Tower, try this machine. Okay naman siya. So, to go up, you have to buy muna 820 yen ticket. 150 lang yung ticket mo. So, i-convert sa Philippine peso, 410 pesos. Tapos, from main observatory, para makakit ka sa special observatory, dito ka muna. Tapos, para makakit ka sa pinakatuktok, you have to pay 600 yen pa ulit, which is 300 pesos. So, ngayon, pinapakita nila. Pagka dun sa main observatory ka lang akyat, wala kang hintayan. But, pagka dun sa special observatory, 10 minutes ang waiting time. So, here's my ticket to go up. Let's go! Inside the elevator. Excuse me. これより150メートル大展望台2階へご案内いたします。なお左に向かう上は大展望台1階になりますので、どうぞお下がりくださいませ。We're going up the main observatory, which is 150 meters high. Please take the stairs to the first floor on the down elevator when you leave the observatory. Enjoy a great day in Tokyo.
お待たせいたしました。こちら高さ150メートル大展望台2階となります。どうぞごゆっくりお過ごしください。いらっしゃいませ。
So, dito na tayo sa 150. Yeah. So, as you can see, ang taas-taas niya na, pero meron pa siyang itataas. You just have to pay 300 pesos, 600 yen. So, hinintay ko talagang maggabi para makita yung ganda ng Tokyo. Paikot siya. Ganito lang. Tapos, meron ganito. It's a monitor. You can see yung mga parts ng Tokyo. So, dito, meron look-down window. And then they have a live DJ. And you could make a request like this. So I just did write a message. So I hope bago ako mag-grant nila yung request ko. Excited much? Special observatory ticket. 600 yen. So we're waiting for the elevator. Mga satellites around Tokyo Tower.
We are going up to the 250-meter-high Special Observatory. You may hear a cracking noise, but it is from a safety device and perfectly normal. We are about to reach the Special Observatory. Please take your time and enjoy.
お待たせしました。特別展望台でございます。So we're here at the corner. Took a minute para umakyat siya. And this is pinakamataas. Hindi siya masyadong halata sa cam, but in person, napakataas niya po. Kamusta sa naman? Yan yung road na pag tinignan mo, para siyang Tokyo Tower din. Maliit lang siya. Maliit na bilog lang siya.